Welcome everybody to CPP Tech Build Edition. You got RAM. All right, now that you have your CPU in, now we're going to actually do the RAM, okay? So if you actually look at your sticks of RAM, you actually have a sticker here with, what kind of RAM it is, if it's DDR4, DDR4, 16 gigs, 8 gigs, what have you. So 99% of the time that sticker will point towards your CPU there. So you actually, if I've got two sticks, so we're actually going to run this in dual channel, and now you notice I got 4 slots here. Well, which ones do I put it in? Normally, in all cases with dual channel, you want the DIMM 2 and DIMM 4 right there. So basically all you're going to do is, now, and this is the other critical thing, you got the little notches here, and you got a notch inside your DIMM as well. That will line up. So what I like to do, since this is an ASRock case, or ASRock motherboard, it doesn't have it's got the stationary tabs here, right here, and these go up. I'm going to start. Now notice how the sticker is towards the CPU. I'm going to put it in that first tab there, kind of get it started. In the second one, I'm going to hear a click. Now you hear that click. I always go push down both sides, make sure they're both in, and then we're ready to do the next one. Click, click. And make sure they're both in there. And that's it. So, thank you for watching. Subscribe, like. Next thing we're going to do is the M.2. The M.2. The M.2. See ya. You got M.2?